Welcome to this introduction to my article, How to Fix a Hacked WordPress Website, based on my extensive experience as the WordPress Hack Repair Guy. In the article, I share my insights on effectively recovering and securing a hacked WordPress website. Initially, I planned on writing a personal guide on repairing hacked sites, but then the article evolved into a detailed security guide. I hope you find my guide on fixing hacked WordPress sites helpful. Let's begin. Detecting a hack early is crucial. Signs include modified homepage content, unexpected redirects, login issues, unsolicited ads, performance drops, and warnings from services like Google or McAfee. The first step in my repair process involves a thorough security check using advanced tools to identify malware and analyze the source code for suspicious changes. This includes reviewing all files and the database. Once the hack is identified, I determine the entry point, which could be due to outdated plugins, weak passwords, or insecure hosting settings. Understanding the breach helps prevent future incidents. Cleaning a hacked site starts with stopping any malicious processes. I then replace compromised files with clean versions, ensuring a meticulous comparison to avoid deleting essential data. Next, I clean the WordPress database of harmful entries or restore it if necessary. I also remove any hidden backdoors to prevent future unauthorized access. I also scrutinize all user accounts, removing any that seem unauthorized or compromised. It's vital that remaining users update their passwords to stronger alternatives to enhance security. After cleaning the site, I request reviews from various security monitoring companies to confirm the removal of threats and to help remove the site from any blacklists. My company, HackRepair.com, offers fast, reliable services to handle these issues, providing peace of mind and restoring your site's security. Our services also come with guarantees to ensure your WordPress site remains secure. For specific security needs or questions, please call me anytime at 619-479-6637 to discuss how to secure and best protect your WordPress website. I know that dealing with a hacked WordPress site can be stressful, but with the right expertise, it can be resolved and secured against future threats. Thank you for watching. Please see the description for more details on how to fix a hacked WordPress website today.